This is a demo of the new access control being installed on the facility. The keypad that you see here is what you will see at the various points of access. The keypad itself is actually what you'll see. The red and green indicator lights have been put on this for the purpose of demonstration. The red light being to show that the access is locked, the green light showing that access is granted. In normal operation, you would approach the keypad and present your card. There's no need to actually physically touch it with the card. The card, when brought within about an inch of the unit, will grant access, and after a few seconds go back to normal operation. If you are utilizing a code, you would put in your 4-digit code followed by the pound sign. Once again, access would be granted and go back to normal. So that is the normal daily operation. If you were to try to present a card that is not compatible with the system, such as the old access cards, they will do nothing. If you present a card to the reader that is compatible but that is not programmed into the system, it will give 3 staccato beeps. If you have a card that's been issued that does that, you will want to contact the office to find out why it's not functioning, because for some reason that card has been lost in the program. The system does have a neat feature from the standpoint of operation that at night, I'll turn the recording light off, the keypad itself lights up very nicely, all digits, so that you can actually see it very nicely in the dark. So whether it's daylight or nighttime, the system will be very easy to operate. If you look at the control, there is another button here with a picture of a bell on it. This is a doorbell button, which in a residential usage could be utilized to operate the doorbell. But here we're going to use it for a different purpose. I am now showing a third indicator light. And what that indicator light is showing the activation of an overhead door. In the instances where there is an overhead door adjacent to the keypad, the normal operation of the keypad would be to grant access to the man door. However, in order to make the system more friendly, I have cross-wired the functions in such a way that the doorbell button will operate the overhead door. Now, not normally, because that would be an extreme security risk. But if we actually grant an access and push the button, then the garage door would be activated. And that will work whether it's from a key card or, as I demonstrated previously, from a code. So that simplifies the operation of the overhead door. Of course, if you didn't want to open the overhead door, you would simply present the key card or the code, and open the man door and walk in.